Hello everyone! I am here in my backyard to show you the cool new thing that is happening at the homestead. My husband has always wanted to learn blacksmithing, and unfortunately he works on the day that all of the blacksmith classes locally take place. So he started watching some YouTubes and found that he could make his own teeny tiny forge. Check it out! Isn't that awesome? We started it last night. All right, attempt one at a homemade forge. We've got our charcoal lit. And now we're gonna try out our blower. Ooh, we will definitely need to move that farther away from things because sparks are going places. Made sure that it works. Ah, look at that. Yeah. Made a small project. Let me show you what we made. So last night, he and I together blacksmithed or forged this little spear for a stuffed animal because we're ridiculous. Today we ran to Tractor Supply and got a 40-pound bag of coal that was like, I think $12. And then we ran to Lowe's and we got 2 bars of rebar. One was 1/2 inch and 4 foot long. One was 3/8 inch and 4 foot long, and they were each like $5. So today we're gonna try and make some tools, a chisel, and I forget what else. But we're gonna try and make those. And then I watched a cool video last night about how to make arrowheads, and so I may try that one. But it's a little difficult because we don't have a giant anvil. We have a little teeny tiny one that is from something. It's not actually supposed to be, what is it?
A vise.
It's from a vise. So it's not exact, it doesn't have some of the features that a traditional anvil would have. It doesn't have the little hole in it. It doesn't have the point as pointy as you would have on a traditional anvil, but it should be good. And now I'm gonna see if our fire is hot. And throughout the day, I'll show you pictures or videos of how our first full day of blacksmithing goes. So here are the things we've made so far. We have functional tongs. James made those. We have a little shovel. James and I made that together. We have a hole punch. James made that one. I made the littler one. Then James made a snake. Look, he has a mouth. I tried to make a cobra. It didn't go so well. Here I made a chisel, and then I'm trying to make the shaft for an arrowhead, but I'm only partway through. And then James made a rake for the coals. Not bad for, what, a week and a half with a forge?
Yeah.